Hey guys, in this Haskell tutorial, I'm going to be going through how to create a function that inserts an item into a list at a given index. Let's get into it. So the type definition should be straightforward. Our function will be called insert at. We're going to take a, we're going to take an int, and we're going to take a list of type A and return a list of type A. This could perhaps be done with recursion, but I'm not going to use that for this solution. So insert at A, I for index, and x's will be our list. And then we're going to use guarded equations. So the first guard will be I equals 0, and then we're just going to return x's with a prepended onto it. Our next guard is more interesting because this is where we handle when the index is greater than 0 but less than the length of the list. So this is this is the main part of the function. So it's going to be when I is greater than 0 and I is less than the length of x's. Now, how exactly are we going to insert the element where we want it to go? My idea is that we split the list at the index and then put the new element in between. So we're going to be using the split at function so that we can get each part of the list. So we want A to prepend the second part of split at I x's. So what this part is doing is it's taking the second part of the splitted list. So when the list is splitted, it's put into a tuple, and then we get the first part and the second part. So now to add on the first part, because it's a whole list and not just one element, we need to do so first split at I x's, and then use the concatenate symbol, and that's it for the main guard. So now to handle anything else, I'm going to do otherwise return x's. Now, one way that we can simplify this is instead of calling split at twice, we can change this into a new variable, or constant I should say. So to do that, all we have to do is write where, and then we can call our constant whatever we want. So I'm going to call it split list equals split at I x's. Then I can remove all this and write split list, remove all this and write split list. And that's it for our function. Let's test it out. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments. And if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe.